we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. Oh, the good times just begun. Oh, we know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright. Before I sleep, hear the crickets, see the moon. Side by side and through. No limit to what we can do.
Good morning! Happy Sabado! It's 8:28. Coco Crunch? Hello? Say it? Yeah.
I see.
Yeah, it's chocolate cereal.
Oh, here, chocolate.
I'll put milk in it, okay? Gising na ang dalawa. Nakabihis na. Yung usapan kasi ni Daddy at saka ni Uncle Tristan, alas 9, nandun na siya. Si Dan, nandun na sa baba. Sabi ni Tristan, lulutuan kita ng breakfast. Ang liyahay ng buhay, di ba? Dinala ko pala yung Coco Crunch na binili natin sa Pinas. It's perfect, guys. Can you put that in the bin, please? Thank you, Alo. Thank you, boys.
Why does phone ring bomb? It is bomb to why does phone ring? I'm going to ring it.
Okay, go. I'll put this on the table for you guys.
Phone ring. I need the toilet.
After Ayla, you can go. Alright. Big table?
I'll hold it. How do you hold it the two hands, Mom?
Mm-hmm. Good job.
Mama,
On the big table? Or small table here?
the small table.
Okay. That's for Ayla. Now, look at all this rubbish, you guys. And your stickers. Tingnan nyo yung dining table. Ang daming kalat. Yan yung mga ginawa nila. Pero okay lang yan. Wala kasing gadgets. Ito. Tanungin muna natin kung pwede na natin itong ipagtapon-tapon. Your cereal is there, baby. Pero itong mga likod ng sticker, pwede na. Dinala pa ni Arlo yung name tag niya. That's from kahapon nung nagpunta tayo sa school niya. Oh, this is a photo. That's Ayla. Beautiful ate. A blanket? Sure. I'll grab it in a minute. Wait. Is it good? That's good. Diyan talaga sila nakaupo. Sana dinamihan natin yung Coco Crunch. Maganda siya pang ganito travel. Pero may dala pa din ako ibang cereal. Nutri-Grain, Wheat Pix. Just in case bigla na lang mag-request ng iba. Gusto ko magkape. Oh, may hot chocolate sila. Yes? You wanna ride your bike? Oh my gosh. Let's check the weather first, B. Ano ba yung weather? 27 degrees, tapos windy. The phone says it's fire weather. It's fire weather because it's hot and it's windy. Oh my gosh, ang aga-aga, 28 na. Aabot daw ng 45 today, guys. 45 degrees. Grabe, sobrang init na niyan. Yeah, we need to put sunscreen on as well. Oh, it's saying 38 now. So, bumaba na siya. Okay, and tomorrow is good. It's down to 31 tomorrow. Kasi 45 din dapat yung tomorrow eh. Monday, 38. The weather's changed, babe. Oh. Yeah. So, today, it's 38. Tomorrow, 31. And Monday, 38. Tuesday, 34. Grabe, apakainit na niyang 38, guys. Parang kahapon lang yan. Pero, kung iisipin mo, mas okay kaysa sa 45. Kasi yung forecast nga lately, 43, 45. Ngayon, bumaba siya. Tapos windy. Ito yung delikado. Sa kapag nasa hills ka, maraming mga kahoy, maraming mga, alam mo yun, mga grass na mahahaba. Kasi fire hazard to na weather. Fire weather. Kasi mahangin, tas mainit. So, biglang aapoy na lang yan. Delikado sa bushfire. Si Dan na talagang hindi pa bumabangon. Gising na din si Indy, pero nandun lang din sa bed kasama yung daddy niya. Magkape na lang ako. Sabi ni Dan, ano daw eh, doon daw kami magkakape sa cafe. Well, ako. But, parang kaping-kape na ako, guys. Meron silang mukon na medium roast. Meron akong dala actually. Pero, I don't know if it's any good. Kasi, hindi naman ako nagaganito na kape na. It's either kung magpapakit man ako, usually kopi ko, but wala kasi na ako kasi hindi na ako nag-stock kasi ayoko din sana ng ganun. Pero maganda sana yun nung pang-travel. Pero may dala ako. Yeah. Yeah. No, not yet. It's hot. Same. Mukona din. Mukona smooth naman to. Instant coffee granules. Ito na lang try natin. Nice. Yeah, I've got cereal here for Didi.
Mama, when can I go outside?
Huh?
When can I go outside?
Do you want to go outside now? It's hot.
Yes, I want to go outside right now.
Already? Wait, baby. Ask Daddy first if you can. You know what? I think you can here in the shade, oh, where I can see you as well. Here. Ang cute ni Indy. Tingnan mo, wala ka pang bihis. Cute niya, may dala na siya chanela. Labas ka, Dindi. Alright, sige. You have to watch out for cars, okay? Dala namin yung kanilang scooter at saka bike. Kasi napagkasya ni Mami sa car. Alright, please. Wait, baby. Wait. You wanna play too, Didi? Nagtitimpla tayo ng kape.
Mom. Hey. Now I get that bike. Now get my tiny bike down. That one, the one is changed, and I have two, and then that one.
Wait, let me put this down first. You stay here, okay? Around here. Don't go too far and watch out for cars.
And then how will we ride? You don't fall down and break your arm because your arms will have safety.
Yeah.
And that's what it's going to do right there. That's mommy. Now how will we ride? Will you teach me? Yeah.
You stay around here, okay? And watch out for cars.
Mommy,
Yeah, go.
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 I'll go that way.
Okay. You maneuver that way.
What the?
Why? Keep going, Bob. Harder. Yeah, you go, go, go. There you go. It's just a bit harder. Quick, quick. Not too far. Good morning. Cute. Tabingi mo bike mo, ate. You okay? Good job. Good braking. Arlo still going. Good job, guys. How was that? Was that good? Huh? Yeah, you can go that way. Go straight ahead.
All the way?
Yeah, all the way and then come back.
All the way.
Yeah, because you can. Go. Go follow Ate Alo.
All the way.
Good job, guys. Ang iingay ng mga bike nila. May training wheels pa kasi. Oh, ate. Nihintay niya si Arlo. Oh, my love. Oh. Oh. Oh my gosh, Ayla. Good job, ate. Thank you, Bob. Oh. Thank you, Ayla. That was so good of your ate, Alo. They love it. Good job, guys.
I have dollar.
You did. I saw that. Well done.
I love you. You know that? And not only eat my Mentos only once. That's two.
They have, yeah. Nandun na si Dan. Balikan natin yung kape natin. Ano nangyari sa kape natin? Mako na. Oh, you want more? Pinapakain ko din itong isa. Okay. Anong oras na? Alas 9 talaga yung sinabi ni Dan kay Tristan na bababa siya doon. Ang daddy ko talaga. Ha? Ang daddy mo. Ayoko yung nagpapahintay ng tao, guys. Wait. We'll start with 2. O, diba? At least nakabike yung kids. What? Some more? Use your words. Say more. Yeah? You say more. Oh! Hot water. Didi, stay here. Kettle, kettle, kettle. Here. There she goes.
Hi guys, I'll show you a bike. This is my bike, and that's Aria's bike, and that's Arrow's bike. And this is Andy. And this is Aya.
Anna, come here, present them to your shoulders and arms.
And this is Study.
Anna, come here now.
And this is me, Arrow. I got some Mentos. And Andy.
Is that you, Didi?
This is Daddy. Daddy. this is Andy. You. Hi guys. Today we are like in a cabin, and this is our cabin. Here's the toilet. Here's the toilet. And then these are our bedrooms. That's my bed, and that's Olive's. And this is where our clothes were. Yeah. And I don't know what's here. Do you want to check? Sure. Here, this is what it's on. This is our thing. We're going to stickers on. Hobbit. Paper Demon Hobbits.
Full stop. Can't believe I live in your thoughts. I think about you all the time, morning, evening, and midnight. Such a wonderful delight.
Good job, Alo.
Forgo. Give up everything that
Ganda dito. Ang ganda ng beach. Ang init nga lang. Pero nandito kami sa shade ngayon. Sabi niya. Ay, lalok!
She's Mama. Don't be shy. This is Mama.
Oh, it's too hot for the beach. I was like, I don't know if I've had it since my life.
Yes, so this is Mama. Stand up.
45. Is it still 45?
Yeah. Here's Mama. There's Eli.
Oh.
Hi. Hello. There's Theo.
the world around could pass us by. A thunderstorm, a lightning strike as we hold each other tight.
That was good.
You're the rose in a
Wow,
garden,
that's awesome. Nice top.
and it shows if I'm honest. You're the leaves in mid-August,
Smile, Alo!
and I've come
Ah, that's
here to
cool.
say,
Oh my gosh, Ayla.
you're the rose in a
Nakabalik na kami sa cabin, guys. Nandito yung mga bata nag-drawing. Masaya lang sila dyan. Dinala namin to kasi he's not feeling well daw. Akala ko magnanap, pero mas maganda dito, mas komportable, hindi ganun kainit. Let's go! Sleep! Kailangan ko itong patulugin. Let's go, sleep! Come on! To your bed! Say goodnight, everyone! Say goodnight to everyone! Bye! Say goodnight! Blow kiss! Blow kiss to everyone! Say goodnight! Alright, come on, Didi. To your room. Come on. We'll go. Say night. Alright, come on. Come on. Good job. Si Dan umalis. Napunta ng grocery. Para lang bumili ng mga kailangan. Like drinks. Kung ano-ano lang para sa lahat. Badan kita, Bi, kasi mainit. Ako badan kita. Come on. I will give it to you, but take this off first. It's sticky now. Alright. Come on. Night night. It is currently 34 degrees. Yung kaninang umaga dun sa baba, ang ganda guys, windy. Tapos yung wind kasi kanina malamig pa, tapos nasa shade kami, so it was perfect. Sobrang windy lang niya, pero kapag lumabas ka sa shade and mainitan ka, sobrang init talaga. Kahit na may wind pa na malamig, sobrang init kapag nakalapat na yung init sa skin mo. Tapos nung palapit na ng noon, yung hangin din, nagwo-warm na yung hangin. So, mainit na talaga siya kahit mahangin pa. Tapos may sprinkler kasi doon. Tapos may tap na medyo katabi lang nung pinag-standbyan namin kanina. Inon yun ni Tristan. Tapos may mga patubig pa mist kaming ganap. Sprinkler na ganap. Kasi nga, sobrang init na ng hangin. So, hindi kami magbe-beach ngayon kasi sobrang init talaga. Tapos windy pa. So, can you imagine kapag nasa beach ka, windy, yung sand. It's gonna be really annoying. But, mamayang gabi, punta kami sa Airbnb ng kuya ni Dan. Kasi nag-Airbnb sila guys. Tabihan natin to si Didi habang nagkikwento tayo. Dala nila yung caravan nila actually. Tapos nag-book sila ng caravan party. Kaya lang nasiraan sila guys ng caravan on the way here. So they ended up booking an Airbnb. Buti nilang nakahanap sila ng Airbnb na available. Yeah, of course. Yeah, feel free to grab some water, Theo, if you're thirsty. Or just any snacks there. Feel free to eat. There's some on the bench top there. So, mamayang gabi, doon kami magdi-dinner sa Airbnb nila. Meron din daw pool. So, nag-fishing yung kuya ni Dan kaninang umaga. Tapos sina Papi, nakahuli daw sila guys ng 60 crabs. 60 crabs! So, yun yung dinner namin mamayang gabi. Ay, sarap naman. Excited naman ako sa dinner talaga. Patulugin muna natin to si Dee. Alright. Alo, can I put her to sleep, please? Thank you. Thank you, Alo. Tingnan nyo guys, naka-on na yan. Naka-on yung AC sa lounge. As in, hindi namin yun enough since dumating kami dito kasi nga ang init. Naka-on lahat ng fan. So, parang may fan pa sa lounge, may fan sa kwarto ng kids. And mainit pa din. Hindi pa din siya as in like, komportable ba? Do you want cookies?
Apple
How was the weather? So hot. You guys want cookies? Do you want cookies, Theo? What do you want? Fur?
If I'm gonna get cookies, Eli's gonna be jealous.
That's alright.
Maybe I'll bring a cookie over to Eli.
Yeah.
Hey, bro.
You have to finish it all, okay?
You guys do.
You don't want it? Okay, put it back.
Potato.
You got more?
Yeah, you need it.
Yeah.
That'll be gone by tomorrow.
Nagpabili ako ng salad for lunch. Ito yung lunch natin. Update! Far away! Hot! It is 4:23. Punta na kami sa bahay ni na kuya. I heard that click.
I did. Good job, Adam.
Good job, Alo. Guys, sobrang init talaga. Hindi na talaga kaya ng kakatawang lupa namin. Para kaming nasa oven. As in.
7 minutes.
Far away. 42 degrees.
Mama, 7 minutes away.
Yeah, 8 minutes. Tapos pati yung hangin, sobrang init na ng hangin. Mahangin siya, tapos yeah. Grabe. Summer, ha? Gusto nyo ng summer? Oh my goodness. Tapos ano yung sabi ni Ann? Parang sabi niya, since 1982, 5 beses pa lang umabot ng ganito yung temperature. Ito yung tinignan niya, yung Adelaide. So sa buong buhay niya, 5 beses pa lang, umabot ng 45 degrees. From 1982 ha. So sa buhay nilang dalawa ni Dan.
Back to our plants.
Ah, yeah. So, hindi lang to kaartihan talaga, guys. As in, sobrang init talaga. So, kanina, nung tulog na si Inday, lumabas sila. Pumunta sila sa kitchen, yung ano nila dito, public kitchen. And they had late lunch. Tapos, what did you guys do in the kitchen? Did you play? Oh, may games room sila dun eh. Tapos AC yun. So, okay lang. Pero wala kang makikitang mga tao sa labas. Hindi kaya ng skin natin to. Sobrang init talaga.
And it shows if I'm honest. You're the leaves in mid-August, and I've come out here to say, hey, you're the rose say that I love you.
Punta pala muna kaming Drake's. May bibilihin lang kami para sa dinner mamaya. So, tartar sauce? You get it? Yeah. Oh, Arlo's sleeping malas. You got the key? Yeah. Maybe later. Ay, nako. Thank you talaga sa AC sa sasakyan. Mas maganda dito sa car, guys, kaysa sa kwarto. Yung kwarto din, wala na. Luma na yung AC nila. Yung fan, hindi kaya. Ang init dun.
Guys,
Oh, yeah. You tell the guys.
so this is
A parrot?
and then this is this a cow?
Let me see. A pig, right? Oh, is it a cow? What did you trace? What did you draw?
I think I drew the cow.
Yeah, I think it is a cow too. Looks good. Can they see? Good job, Bob. So, habang natutulog si Indiga kanina, alam niyo bang ginawa ko, guys? Tinapat ko lang sa kanya yung fan na Jisoo Life. Buti na lang meron tayo nun. Kasi ang init talaga sa kwarto namin. Ang init! Ay, naku! Tapos alam niyo ba, ang fan, ang AC sa caravan nila Sharon nasira. So, kung mainit sa cabin namin, lalo na kay Nana. So, buti na lang talaga may Airbnb sina kuya ni Dan. So, punta kami doon. Doon kami magdi-dinner, hangout kami doon. Is she okay, Ayla? Got the goods. What did you get? Sauce, chips, sauce. What's the potatoes for?
Lemons.
Oh, lemons. Okay. We will have crabs. Good luck. Sana payagan tayo ni Di kumain ng crabs. Ah, that's nice.
After you cooked them. A lot of people put slurry and ice, really cold ice in water.
Okay.
Yep.
Pauwi na kami, guys. Yeah, keep going. Yeah, just okay, keep going. Naiwan lang ni Dan yung phone niya, but nasa car na kami. Si Indy kasi ayaw magpababa. Ang sakit na ng katawan ko. Sabi ko, tara na, matulog na tong batang to.
Mommy, what did you say?
It is already 9:25 na din. Night, come on, you've been doing it. Come on. You guys, we are back in the cabin. Look at this. Yes. Look at that, you guys. Don't touch, don't touch. It's crabs, heaps. Don't touch. Luto na to. Ganito kalaki. Alam nyo ba? Ano na to? Kalahati na to ng nahuli nila. Ang dami nilang nahuli kanina. So, may boat kasi yung kuya ni Dan. So, they went on his boat. Tapos, nag-fishing sila kaninang umaga. Hindi sumama si Dan kasi iniisip niya ako. Ayaw niya akong iwan sa mga bata. Kung okay sana yung weather, hindi ganito kainit. Okay lang ako iwan niya. It's extra mahirap, guys, kung sobrang init kasi hindi komportable yung mga bata, alam mo na. So, hindi namin naubos, syempre, kasi ang dami nga nito. So, ilagay namin sa fridge namin yung natira. And, bukas. Gusto daw nila to kainin bukas yung sa mga doon. Don't touch! Wait, saka. Don't touch. Hindi. Alright, perfect. And si Indy ayaw niya magpababa, di ba? Pero pinakain niya ako ng crabs, guys. Nung kumakain ako, naglaro sila ni Arlo. So, very good din ang ating kuya. Kasi sabi ko, please, pakainin niyo ako. Ako na yung crabs. Nakakain akong dalawa. Tinulungan din ako ni Dan. I had crabs. It was good. Guys, mag-ano na kami, magsha-shower na kami. Magpajamas na tayo, matulog tayo. Nakaka-drain ng energy yung init. Ngayon okay na, sa labas okay na. Kasi ano na lang ngayon, 30 or 28 degrees ata. Mainit pa din yan para sa gabi. Ganitong gabi na 9 something na eh. Pero much better. Like magti-10 na, 9:42 na guys ng gabi. Alright, thank you guys sa panonood. Sana nagustuhan nyo. Please like, please subscribe. I hope to see you guys soon. Bye. Mwah.